about I'm gonna try starting the pass the phone trend. So let me start. Passing the phone to my favorite ranter, who's the person who gave me the courage to start posting my slime rants. At Nomiko_rants. Take the phone. Starry out.
Thank you so much. That's so sweet of you. Now I'll be passing the phone to one of my favorite ranters whose videos I enjoy binge watching, and that is at IsItThatQueen. Take the phone.
Yay!
Thank you so much.
We will now pass the phone to anyone who wants it. Calling all ranters. Take the phone.
Thanks. Passing the phone to a ranter whose tutorial literally helped me start ranting. Take the phone. At Zara Bunny. This is Yuri, signing off.